Welcome to Knowledge Hub Visit. Today, we are going to learn how to find the least common multiple, or LCM, using the common division method. Now, let's find the LCM of 20 and 32 using the common division method. Step 1, write all the given numbers in one row. Here, we write 20 and 32 side by side. Step 2, we always begin with the smallest prime number that can divide at least one of the given numbers. Remember, we do not have to divide both numbers. It is enough if the prime number divides one or more of them. Let's look at our numbers. The smallest prime number is 2. Since 20 is divisible by 2 and 32 is also divisible by 2, we choose 2 and write it on the left side of our division table. In the next step, we'll divide both numbers by 2 and continue the process until both numbers become 1. Let's move on. Great! We've already divided 20 and 32 by 2 once, giving us 10 and 16. Since both numbers are still divisible by 2, we divide them again to get 5 and 8. Now, only 8 is divisible by 2, so we leave 5 unchanged and divide 8 to get 4. We repeat the same step until 8 becomes 4, then 2, and finally 1, while 5 stays the same. At the end, 5 is a prime number, so we divide it by 5 to get 1. Now both numbers have become 1, which means the prime factorization process is complete. Excellent work! We've completed the division process, and both numbers have now become 1. Now it's time for the final step. To find the least common multiple, or LCM, we multiply all the prime numbers written in the left column. Let's read them together. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 5. Now multiply them one by one. 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 16 times 2 equals 32, 32 times 5 equals 160. So the LCM of 20 and 32 is 160. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the common division method for finding the LCM. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.